Dear friends, at the outset I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this international conference. This is the first ever effort not only in Maharashtra but also in India to organize an international event of this nature to deliberate on modalities on how to confront the emerging realities in the field of education in the post-pandemic world. Now the entire world is facing the corona crisis. The crisis which began in China, which was earlier confined to China, now has become the global pandemic, which emerged as a health crisis at the beginning. Now it has converted into an economic disaster also. It has its impact in almost every sphere of human life, the social, economic, and even the education also. Now, as the entire world is facing this problem, it is very important to foster the cooperation at the global level, not only to confront this coronavirus, but also to confront the new realities which will emerge in the post-pandemic world. There will be radical shifts in almost all spheres of life. The corona crisis has exposed the shortcomings of existing world order, existing order in almost all spheres, and now it has also underscored the realities of framing the new rules to confront the upcoming order. There will be drastic changes not only in the discourse in the field of education, there will be changes in the modes of education also, but there will be changes in the contents of the education. In the field of social sciences, there will be the new contents which the students will face. They will have to study a post-pandemic emerging world order. The world order which has totally transformed the existing world order which established since the Second World War. In this new world order, there are a lot of changes which are now being discernible. For example, now there will be the emergence of Asia. Now the US has already taken the back seat. There will be retreat of the United States. The US, which has shaped the global order since Cold War, since last 3 decades, which has been shaping the global order. Now there will be retreat of United States. And the vacuum which will be created by the retreat of US will be filled up by the Asian powers. There will be re-emergence of Asia. In fact, after 2008 economic crisis, the Asia started getting the prominence in the international affairs. Now the corona crisis will once again reinforce the fact that Asia will dominate the world. Like before the 18th century, in the world GDP, Asia constituted almost 50% of the total GDP of the world. But then, due to the Industrial Revolution and colonization, the European countries, they moved forward, and Asia was on the back seat. But now there's a time for Asia, so there will be the change in order. Again, at the European level, as we see that there are conflicts among the European nations, there is an intra-European Union conflict, so students will have to study that also. So there will be changes in the contents of the social sciences. I think the academicians, the students who are participating in this conference will deliberate on these new realities of the post-pandemic world, and they will definitely come out with some solid conclusions and inferences which will help the government to frame the policies to cope up with the new realities of post-pandemic world.